The how might we method is used in brainstorming and problem-solving sessions to frame challenges as opportunities for innovation and improvement. It encourages a positive and open-minded approach to addressing issues and exploring solutions. If you are using the top 3 ideas tool, you will apply the same concepts, whether you are doing this on a whiteboard or in another collaborative space like the list session. Start by identifying the challenge or opportunity you want to address. This could be anything from improving a process to creating a new product. Providing context helps everyone understand the problem. Sometimes you may want to define the principles that will define success and help the team prioritize and identify the best solution. You can define the problem here and get the team to agree on the top non-negotiables. Next, ask people to brainstorm. Use the how might we framework to transform the challenge into a how might we question. Everyone participating will add one idea per sticky note. Once that is done, identify the top 3 ideas or the 3 ideas that should be prioritized based on the defined principles and non-negotiables. To do this, give participants a certain number of votes, usually 2 or 3, and have them choose their most important one. Then discuss and evaluate if there are any disagreements and understand why. When you agree on the top 3 ideas, take notes and define what needs to be true, what the expectations are, and what the next steps are. By following this process, you not only discuss ideas but also choose the top 3 and define the basic requirements and expectations in one session. This tool is available at Nova in 2 different formats, the list format and the whiteboard format. Both work equally well, with the whiteboard being ideal when the audience wants to share screenshots, draw, and have more flexibility. On top of that, people should know how to use a whiteboard. The list format is quite easy to use and works really well from a phone. All conclusions and next steps should be added to the conclusion section so stakeholders are notified automatically. To learn more about tools like this one or other tips, visit our website at Nova or follow us.